Excel autofill a series without mouse, keyboard only. So when I want to extend a series or something along those lines, I can highlight a group of cells, then click on the bottom right corner of the highlighting box and drag down. Excel will then attempt to automatically extend the contents as well as it can. Is there a keyboard function that will allow me to do this? I like to use the keyboard to avoid repetitive mouse motions. I can use the Shift key and arrow keys to make a selection, but I don't know what, if any, key can trigger this function. I also don't really know what this function is actually called.
You can use keyboard shortcuts to get to anything that's on the ribbon. Press Alt and then you can see the keystrokes next to each section. To bring up the Fill Series dialog box, press Alt and then HFIS.
You're looking for fill down or fill right. Select Arrange by moving to the cell to start with. Then Shift plus or Shift plus to where you want to fill the contents to. And then press Ctrl plus D to fill down or Ctrl plus R to fill right. Unfortunately, there is no shortcut key for fill left or fill up.
Use Shift plus to highlight where you want the series to go. Must include the filled in cell that you want to key off of. Alt plus HFIS. Shift plus Tab F. Enter. Inspired by the answers above and some trial and error.
For Excel 2016, and I presume 2013, I added it to the Quick Access toolbar. I got rid of the Save button because Ctrl S does that, and I replaced it with Fill Series. Go to the Home ribbon. In the Editing group, click on Fill. Right-click on Series. Select Add to Quick Access toolbar. Now it should appear in the top left of the window. When you press Alt, a number should appear next to the new icon you've added. You can then customize the Quick Access toolbar and put the fill option where you want. I got rid of Save and put Fill there instead, so I can now enter the first two values, for example 1 in cell A1 and 2 in cell A2, then select those 2 and more cells below, and hit Alt, 1, and enter. The selected cells should then be filled with the series. The mouse is no longer required for this task.
Yes.